Sige, basta may birthdays.
Magandang bundle.
Salamat po.
Good afternoon, everyone. Save the best for last, they said. Actually, I'm so nervous. Welcome to Elevate Fitness Hub. My proposal is about fitness gym. Project overview is Elevate Fitness Hub is designed to move the more than just a gym. It is a wellness movement. We're targeting young professionals and family in Yunlong for this time and nearby areas who want access high quality and fitness options. Problem and opportunity. Despite the growing health awareness, many residents lack access to affordable, personalized fitness. Elevates Health fills the gap with a tech-savvy, community-driven approach. Objectives and strategy. Our strategy is simple: build a space people love, hire passionate trainer, and use tech to keep members engaged. We aim to enroll 500 members in our first year in the future. And timeline and budget. Our timeline and budget, I mean my timeline and budget, because I'm alone. We've mapped out a 4-month launch plan with a total investment of 975,000 HKD. This is fair according to my research. Not actually concise. Include the equipments, renovations, staffing, and app development. And our impact and next steps. I'm shaking. Elevate Fitness Hub will transform wellness in Yunlong. Yeah, you know where Yunlong is? In your territory.
At the end of the world.
Our next steps include finalizing the lease, starting renovations, and launching our pre-registration campaign. And the conclusion is, Elevate Fitness Hub is a wellness-first gym designed for Yunlong vibrant community. We're combining expert training, smart tech, and inclusive programming to create a space where health is accessible, engaging, and empowering. With a clear launch plan, strong local demand, and a scalable model, Elevate is ready to become the district's Go Fitness destination. That's all, and thank you.
So before I ask the question to the floor, I think for Sherry and Ajar, you might want to look at your bed because it's providing a space for you. I remember that you're selling, sporty, items. You can look for me a bit at the back.
Open for collaborations in the future for the juice revolution.
Okay, if I was here and then you, and then that's all.
Anybody have question? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3.
Amifa Jahan, would you like to collaborate with me for yoga trainer?
Sure, in the future.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
no
much.
problem.
Okay.
Because we are open to collaborate, not just fitness, but mind.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, what makes you inspired to make a research about this? Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful questions. My Elevate Fitness Hub was inspired by myself and from my parents, because also our family line, because our parents are aging like that, and when you come to age, you start like some of your organs like weakens already, so you need to do exercise and not just your health but also your mind to become healthy, because if you're only healthy in your lifestyle or your health but your mind is already dying, so not good. So we both improve health and body. My mind and body. That's all.
So you mentioned is that you inspired by yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am, because once I was also avoided.
Oh, okay.
Because I am big.
Nice. Okay. I see you go on my hands, right? Okay. So we don't have more
Save
time.
the
Just
best for last.
last. One last question. Okay, maybe Jenny, sorry.
Okay, hi, I'm Chermy. So, as we are selling some clothes, sorry, and then, is it possible for you to collaborate with us? So we're going to send our sell our clothes, our sports clothes to your gym, and the people, the customers that you have in your gym are going to use our clothing, our sports clothes.
Yes, sure, why not? In the future, we can display your product in some of the areas and offer also, I hope you can offer also us a discount so that
Collaboration, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, that is wonderful. So once again, let's give applause to Okay, so is there anybody else haven't speak at the front?
Winita.
We did not know. No, it's okay, no worries. Yeah. Okay, so I think I will give all of you like the 10 minutes, okay, to try to connect to each other, especially for those that speak at the front, right? Maybe you guys are interested, to collaborate or call it the leader or whatever. Is that 10 minutes?
Okay,
And then
in
we
this
are going to continue for the
Okay, in this 10 minutes, whoever